Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 cheap bathroom remodeling ideas. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. The bathroom is the one room in your home that you use every day. Unfortunately, it's also a room that can be expensive to renovate, and with such a high cost, most homeowners don't know where to start. However, there are many ways for you to make over your bathroom without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll cover some of our favorite ideas on how to redesign your own space without spending too much money. Number 1. Add a big mirror. Like a coat of crisp white paint, a mirror creates the optical illusion of a larger space. Adding an ultra-big mirror also offers more than aesthetic benefits. Tiny mirrors make it tough to do tasks that require your reflection, like putting on makeup. An oversized mirror makes doing those things easier, while adding a hint of glam. Number 2. Add bathroom plants. Plants help to breathe life and vibrancy into a space. Bathroom plants are an inexpensive way to add a splash of color to your bathroom that can also carry small health benefits as well. You can add large ferns near your bathtub, or hanging aloe vera. You have a great deal of variety to play with. Just bear in mind what plants you keep and make them suitable to your environment, as many bathrooms can grow to be damp and humid areas. Even something as simple as a potted flower on your counter can help to make your bathroom appear much more pleasant. Number 3. Interior painting. Interior painting can be accomplished by even the least skilled do-it-yourselfer. For whole house painting, you may want to consider hiring a professional painter, due to the large scale. But consider how little painting you need to do in bathrooms. The majority of wall space is taken up with mirrors, showers, tile, cabinets, and bathtubs. In the end, you only have a few square feet to paint. In many cases, you can paint this by yourself in a day or two. Number 4. Install wainscot. One of the best ways to protect the lower portion of your wall is to install a wainscot. As you should know, this prefabricated board spreads as high as 48 inches. Using it in your bathroom erases the need to cover up minor holes and dings on the wall. Keep in mind, if there is mold and mildew speckled on the wall, it will not be a good idea to cover it up. Instead, you should clean it thoroughly and change the affected wood portions of the wall. Number 5. Add decor to the walls. If you've got an empty wall in your bathroom, you could probably use some good wall decorating ideas. There's nothing that can make a place look unfinished like bare walls, and adding well decor to your bathroom can be a great way to make the room feel comfortable and cozy. Number 6. Change shower fixtures. Shower fixtures can grow to be mundane and everyday, especially when you interact with the same fixtures on a constant basis. Consider switching your fixtures up. If your shower fixture is stationary and wall-mounted, consider swapping in a removable shower head. Add different settings to your shower, such as massage features and extenders. These upgrades are both easy to install and very affordable, while making your shower feel completely different. Number 7. Resurface the tub. Removing an inbuilt tub typically need carrying out a lot of destruction to the bathroom, from the floor to the walls. Nevertheless, you can refurbish your current enameled cast iron tub to make it look new by changing its color. You can hire a proficient tub refinishing person for this task. The person hired should wear respirators and follow appropriate measures to protect him or her against refinishing chemicals. Number 8. Go with granite. Granite is one of the best materials you can work with for your bathroom vanity. There are several styles, colors and textures that you can choose and mix in order to get the comfortable and elegant look you've always wanted. You don't need to spend much or hire a professional since maintenance is very easy for the average individual. Number 9. Upgrade cabinet hardware. Bathroom cabinets and drawers that are smooth and unembellished can be decorated with beautifully detailed wooden relief carvings. Unpainted and unstained wooden relief carvings can be found in woodworking stores and many major craft stores, and they come ready to paint or stain to match any color. They are available in many rich-looking styles, and they can transform plain bathroom cabinet doors and drawers into bathroom furnishings that look custom-made. Number 10. Do bathroom remodeling by yourself. Once you are ready with the bathroom remodeling design, you need to purchase the products. You can compare the prices of the required products in 2 or more bathroom products showrooms. Choose the provider who gives quality products at minimum cost. The major advantage of doing bathroom remodeling by yourself is that you can save money involved with a bathroom remodel contractor's services. Moreover, you will have a more clear idea about your budget and preferences than a third person. So, if you can spend enough time doing the necessary homework, then this would be the best solution. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.